Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a partition on your Windows 10 operating system on your hard drives. So let's get started. First of all, go to your start menu and then click File Explorer, which is going to open the File Explorer. And then in here on the left hand side, you just need to right click on this PC. So just right click on this PC and then choose Manage. Okay, so just choose this option which says Manage, and I'm going to minimize this File Explorer. And now it's going to open this kind of computer management window. So in here what you need to do is you need to go to the storage section and then go to this section which says disk management. So this disk management section is going to look like this, and it's going to show you your disk. And this disk 0, you will be able to see system reserved memory, and then you will be able to see your C drive, which is the main drive. In your case it can be another drive name, but it's the biggest memory drive in your system, right? So in my case it's C drive. So for example, I want to partition this C drive. So I will right click on this C drive. So right click on this C drive and then choose shrink volume. Okay, which is going to take some time. So it says querying volume for available shrink space, please wait. So you just need to wait. Your computer is not frozen or anything. You just need to wait until this disk manager is querying volume for available shrink space. Okay, so just wait for this, and now you will be able to see this kind of window, right? So on the top it says shrink C, and then it says total sizes before shrink in MBs. So everything which is shown here is in megabytes, right? So I have around 60 GB of memory. Size of available shrink space is this one. So here in this third section which says enter the amount of space to shrink in megabytes, right? And this much amount of space I can shrink. So what I want is out of my 60 GB and out of my 42 GB which I can shrink, I just want, for example, 5 GB of space. So I will just write 5000 here, which is equal to 5 GB, because it's showing memory in megabytes, right? So 5000 MB is 5 GB, right? And then just click shrink here, which is also going to take some time, so just please wait. And now I will be able to see this kind of unallocated space here, right? So this much amount of memory I have allocated to the new partition, right? 5 GB I have defined. Okay, so it says unallocated. So now just click on this unallocated space here and right click on it and just click new simple volume, and then this is going to open this kind of volume wizard. Just click next, and in here we will leave everything as default because we wanted this much amount of space to be allocated to the partition. I will just click next, and in here you can choose which drive letter you want for your partition. So by default it's E for me, but you can freely choose any letter for your partition. So I'm going to leave it as default, which is E, and then I'm going to click next. And in here you will be able to see format partition. So just select this option which says format this volume with the following setting. So NTFS is good for me, and you can even give the label to your partitions. For example, I want to give the label data to my partition, right? Or any other name which you want, music, videos, or any other data, right? And then click next, and this is going to show you this kind of interface which says completing the new simple volume wizard. And in here you just need to click finish, and again it's going to take some time, and then after some time you will be able to see this space or partition will be given a new name whichever you have given as a label. And now after some time I can see this partition is created, and the name or label I have given is also I'm seeing here, right? And it's around 5 GB of space. So now let's check whether it's really there or not. So just open your folder explorer. Now in my folder explorer also I can see this E drive created, right? So in here you can save any data, any kind of data, whatever you have. And now what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you how you can reverse your partition. So for example, you are not happy with this space and you want to allocate more, or you want to allocate less, or you want to delete this partition. How you can do it, let's see. So once again, go to your computer management and go to disk management, and in here whatever partition you have created, if you want to delete it, you can just right click on it, and you can see there is an option called delete volume. So just click delete volume, and of course you need to have a backup of your data, and then you just need to delete your volume. Okay, so it says deleting this volume will erase all the data on it. So backup any data you want. So you just need to back up whatever data is there in your volume, and then just click yes here. Okay, which is going to delete this space. Okay, now you can see it says 5 GB space is unallocated. Okay, so now when you see the space as unallocated, you can right click on your main partition, right click, and then you can just select this option which says extend volume. So just select extend volume and then click next, and you will be able to see 5 GB is available. So just click next and then click finish, which is going to extend your main partition. You can see here, right? So you have successfully reverted your partition also. Okay, so in this way you can create partition on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.